How to split screen multitask on Google Pixel. Hello everyone, welcome back to Logging Giants. Let's get started. To be able to use split screen on your Google Pixel, make sure you have two interfaces that you want to use as split screen chosen. For example, I'm opening Play Store, as you can see. And at the same time, I also want to use my Chrome. Now, the first thing that you want to make sure is both the interface are like this, as I'm showing on the screen. Once you're here, you will see the option or the logo of that particular app. Tap on that. And in the second option, you will see the split screen. Click on it. So as you can see, one screen is already been set. Now you have all the other apps that you want to use, then go ahead and choose any of the app. And as you can see, both my screens are over here. The Google Chrome is at the top and the Play Store is at the bottom. And that's it. That's how you simply be able to use the split screen. Guys, all the apps does not support split screen, but many do. So make sure the app that you are choosing is supported by the split screen. But if you want to leave the split screen, just go to your home screen and that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any confusion regarding any feature of Google Pixel, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you guys in my next video.